And welcome back, everybody, for another video on our beautiful 1,000 horsepower Mustang GT. No, I'm just kidding. Please, it's a joke. That's a joke. It's not 1,000. It's still stock, completely stock. And I have two things that I have already done to the Mustang, other than from the reveal video, the beautiful window louvers that we put on, and they look really nice. Man, they look great. Make it stand out. But there's one thing that I had already put on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that now because does it look good. So I have the Street Aero diffuser put on the car. I put it on about a weekend ago. No, yeah, I put it on this weekend. I barely put it on this weekend, and it looks gorgeous. This thing makes it stand out like crazy, especially from the sides. If you look at it from the side, man, yeah, you can tell. But so I have that on the car, and there's one more thing that I bought. Not one more thing, because this is never gonna end, but I bought a new fuel door to go onto the car. So I got this on American Muscle, just like I get pretty much all my other products, get everything off there. But this is the Drake Muscle Car fuel door for the 2020 Mustang GT. So I don't necessarily know exactly how to change this out. I watched a video. I know there's a clip that you can do. There's a clip. I'm pretty sure it's that one right there. But I don't know if you have to push out or pull out or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'm gonna let you guys know on how to remove it and how to get the new one on. So let's start the video. Okie dokie, I've read the instructions, the very helpful instructions. It's rare that you find a company that'll send you actual good instructions, but nonetheless, this is a pretty easy mod to do. So what you're gonna do is put a screwdriver, flathead, and essentially push that thing up. If I can get it with one hand, that would be great. Pull that up, and then slide this puppy out. Huh, that easy. Great. So, well, here's the stock one, and here is the other one. So I mean, they're both made of plastic is what it seems like to me. I mean, it's durable, it's made to be out in the weather, so it's gonna last you a while. So we're just gonna drop that there and simply line up the tabs here. Again, I can do that with one hand. There we go. And you're just gonna maybe push it in there. Maybe. Okay, so I figured it out. Back tabs, these back ones, ding ding, go to those back ones. Sound effects are great. So it's the front ones you want to align with the front side. So, which is, if I can get it right. Okay, there it is. And then just push it in till it does that. I'm gonna set you guys down real quick. I can't get this with one hand. And there we have it. Works perfectly fine. Wow. And it fits great. You can get that. There you go. There's that 5.0 logo. So man, oh man, what a great little quick mod. But man, this car has come a long way with the very little time that I've had it. And it looks great. I love the car. I love it so much. But have a lot of things planned for this one. Have a lot of things planned for the black one. my brother's blue truck, and the other truck, which should be on the channel maybe now, maybe. Either way, even if it's not, we have a 1993 GMC Sonoma that we're also working on. Maybe it'll be on my Instagram, maybe it'll be on the channel, I don't know. And if that's the case, then this is the reveal video. Yay, there's a GMC Sonoma now. But yeah, so once we get that, we'll have that, you know, on the channel. We'll be working with that too. There's a few things we've already done with that car, so. But other than that, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. We are at 80, I think, subscribers or more. I'm not too sure, but please subscribe. We get to 100 subscribers. Big burnout in this garage in the black quad tip Mustang. So if y'all want to see a massive burnout in this quiet little garage, then subscribe and share with your friends and ask them to subscribe and leave a like, a comment on the video, and we will see y'all later. Peace.